The 8.1 update features several completely new functions such as the new way to manage the repairs, flexible workflow configuration, and automation. Let's discuss every feature in detail. Our new approach offers to supplement your workflow with 3 additional steps. Step 1. Inspect. When a mechanic performs diagnostics using OBD2 and handles the paperless inspections, and the buyer can add the new requests to the repair. Number 2. Part delivery. Allows the shop to complete the order of the parts necessary for the repair and wait for their delivery. Number 3. Wait tag. Guarantees that your technicians can complete the previous tasks before starting a new repair. Does your repair shop have an account manager who you would like to engage in invoice processing and other paperwork? Does a real carburetor diagnostics professional work for you? Each repair stage or each type of work can now be assigned to their own specialist. And most importantly, these new stages are completely optional. We suggest that you set up your workflow in a way that is the most convenient to you. There are no two identical businesses. Let your business be what you want it to be. The new Workflow tab on the configuration page will allow you to set up the repair stages, appoint the responsible technicians, and to control the performance terms of each of them. Once you set up your workflow, the system will automatically assign the technicians responsible for each new repair. We try to predict the estimated duration of each stage based on laborers' reports and the opinion of your technicians. The estimates take into account the repair shop's work time and allow you and your clients to effectively plan your actions. If any repair stage takes more time than you might have expected, then the system will warn you about it. Thus, the new workflow page makes it possible to not only follow the progress of the current repairs, but to effectively manage them as well. Does it sound like the repair management takes more time now? Not at all. Speaking of automation, it has become much more easier now to manage and control the work process. We have developed the intellectual system which will help you throughout the entire repair process. The repair will automatically switch to a new stage after all tasks of the previous stage have been completed. If your buyer left a request or the vehicle needs a scheduled inspection, we will remind you of it. At the final repair stages, our system will help and free you from manually adjusting the status of orders and laborers. We hope that you'll find these new features useful. Please sign into our channel if you would like to stay informed about the new updates for AutoRepair Cloud.